In this video, I will show how to calculate GST in Microsoft Excel with example. So here we have this example. This is the dummy data. So type the equal. Now select the selling price. Now enter the asterisk by pressing Shift Add. Now opening bracket, then 1 plus select this GST. In my case it's 15%. Then closing bracket. Now press the enter. So it will the net price. After GST. Now drag and drop. To get the current total, press Alt and equal. Now press the enter. So this is the total amount, and this way you can type and calculate GST. And if you want GST price, so you can use this formula equal net price minus selling price, and then press enter. Now drag and drop. So this is the GST amount. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.